To start us off with Pandora, please join me in welcoming to the stage our Senior Vice President of Product Marketing, Sanjana. Come on up.
All right. Thank you so much, Frank. I have the pleasure of sharing an incredible story with you today, and that is of Pandora. Now, Pandora was one of our early adopters of Agentforce. They're a global company, an iconic jewelry brand. I'm wearing one of their bracelets today, and they operate in 100 different countries. And their mission was pretty simple. They're known for their in-store personalized experience. They wanted to scale that across all of their customers worldwide. And they turned to Agentforce to do that. So instead of talking to you in slides about what they did, I want to show this to you in a live demo. And I'm going to enlist the help of my friends over here, Claire and Matt. Let's give them a hand. All right, this is Pandora's website. And they wanted to create this really personalized, rich experience for every single customer. So they created Gemma, their AI concierge. And Gemma doesn't start from zero when talking to a customer. Gemma starts with context. So if I want to buy a new bracelet that matches the one that I have that I'm wearing today, I can just ask Gemma for some recommendations. And behind the scenes, there's a lot of rich context that Gemma can pull from. Gemma can pull from the entire pricing and product catalog that Pandora has stored inside of Data 360. So this is going to help me with every decision I need to make, from customizing the item to sizing, everything I need to make the perfect purchase. And this experience isn't just about customization and personalization. It's about actually just purchasing the item too. And so Agentforce Commerce is there embedded directly in this back and forth experience to help me purchase this item with ease. But there's one special thing about Pandora's business. I said that they have this really personalized in-store experience, but they want to bring people back into the store every chance they get. They want a really consistent way of having these agents on their website and across any channel bring folks into the store whenever it's appropriate. But if you're using some other agent platform out there, you're leaving that experience up to chance. And it's too important to do that. So they wanted to turn to the new Agentforce builder to build this experience for Gemma. Now, this is the brand new Agentforce builder. It just went live this past week, and I could honestly talk for an entire keynote just about this, but we have all sorts of demos in the campground for that. And this new experience is a completely new and modern way to build agents that are reliable. So why don't we click into one of these topics here for in-store requests. So I mentioned that Pandora wants to bring their customers back inside the store. So we want to make sure that we're always offering a booking appointment anytime a customer asks something about engraving or mentions the store in any way. So I can go ahead here and add this simple instruction to make sure that Gemma always offers this whenever a customer asks. Now, I know everyone in the audience here has use cases like this. You have use cases where you want a large language model to be creative and to do that personalized back and forth. But you also have these workflows that should just work. And with the new Agentforce builder and specifically Agent Script that you're seeing here, you can now make that possible. Now, another really important channel for Pandora is voice. They want this exact same experience when folks call in to purchase a new item. And I'm so excited because as of today, this is available globally too. So you can add a channel to each of your agents that customizes the voice, the tone, your brand voice, everything that represents what you want to show for the customer. Now, I want to take a pause here because Frank showed you an incredibly powerful slide a few seconds ago, all of those systems. And it can be a little bit intangible if you're not looking at something. This is your system of agency, a single agent operating across every single channel, providing a better customer experience. So why don't we just see this in action and call Gemma.
Hi, I'm Gemma, Pandora's AI assistant. How can I help you?
Hi, I just purchased a new bracelet and I'd love to get it engraved. Can you help me set that up?
Yes, I can book you an appointment at 1 p.m. local. Our jewelry engraver Jeff will greet you.
That sounds great. Thank you.
I've set an appointment at 1 p.m. for you. See you soon.
Okay, a few things I want to call out. One, I'm not normally that rude. I would never interrupt you in a conversation, but I wanted to interrupt Gemma to show you how this voice capability works. It's very human-like. It's like going into the store and getting that same experience. The second thing is that Gemma knew right away to set up an appointment because I spoke about engraving. All of that richness I showed you in the builder, that is all of that experience in action in the voice agent. And Pandora doesn't have to build this agent 4 or 5 more times for the different channels that they want to engage on. They can just add it on from right there inside of the builder.